Mobvoi's Ticwatch S and E smartwatches are now available in Europe. The letters represent Sport and Express, respectively, and the designs have already won prizes, an F Product Design Award for the S and Good Design Award for the E. Anyway, the straps are the main difference between the two. The Ticwatch S has a GPS antenna built into the breathable wrist strap for superior reception. The watch also has a sports bezel with minute markings. The Ticwatch E also has a built-in GPS receiver, although its antenna is in the case of 44mm 1mm smaller than the S. The good thing is that you can easily change the wrist straps. Both watches run Android Wear OS and have a 1.4 OLED screen with a resolution of 400x400px 287ppi. They are powered by a MediaTek MT2601 chipset with 512 MB of RAM and 4 GB of storage. This storage can be used with Spotify and Google Play Music. There is also a heart rate monitor on board. The housing is IP67 water resistant, although it is not swim-proof. You can wait 2 days of battery life of 300 mAh battery. The Mobvoi Ticwatch E is available for £120/135, the Ticwatch S for £150/170. You can find them on Amazon, here and here. Both watches were released on Amazon US earlier.